Namaste children, welcome to our EVS session. Okay, I hope everybody are safe and fine at home. Good, very good. Now see the classes of our class 1. Subject is EVS. Lesson 3, My Neighborhood. MY my NEIGHBOURHOOD. My neighborhood. Okay. Now these are the pictures of the neighborhood. Okay, now everybody are ready with your EVS book, Little Thinker book along with you? Yes. Now take your EVS Little Thinker book. Okay, now take it. Now the previous exercise and all have you completed? Okay. Now in the last session, we taught you about the persons and responsibility. What are the works and the person's name we have taught. Now take this. This is activity 3.2. Solve the crossword with the help of the clues. There we have given you many clues. See, once again we are going to recap this crossword puzzle. Okay. Now see, across. Across means it will be coming in horizontal in this direction. Down means down direction, below, down. Okay. Now see here, number 1. Where is number 1 here? See number 1. See here. Down. Now a person who protects buildings and people. 2 words. It will be in 2 words. Okay. Whether we can see where it is. It's a 2-letter word. Where is number 1? See, this is number 1. See, down. So we have to check it here. Where is the 2-letter word? A person who guards. Okay, he is a security guard. Super. Now see the spelling. SECURITYGUARD. Security guard. Super. Now see where is number 2. Here. This is across. It will be coming in this direction, across. A person who fits and repairs electrical wires and switches. Who is that person called? Yes, he is an electrician. Good. We can see in this electrician. Where is number 2? Yeah, this is number 2. See, they have given across. See, electrician. Where is the spelling here? Electrician. See, ELECTRICIAN. Electrician. See, all these blue color words, letters, it's already given in the book. Okay, there's all this red color. We have to write the answers. So we have given you in different colors. Okay. Okay. Now see number 3. What is number 3? Where is 3 here? A person who makes and repairs wooden objects. Who is that person? Yes, he is a carpenter. We can see where is he? Carpenter. Number 4. No, number 3. Good. Number 3. Carpenter. C-A-R. See number 3 here. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-R. Carpenter. Okay, good. Now see where is number 4. Good, here. A person who fits and repairs pipes and taps. Who is that person called? Yeah, he is a plumber. Okay, we can see where is plumber, number 4. See here 4. See the plumber spelling. Plumber. Plumber. Okay, number 4 is plumber. Okay. Now see number 5. Where is number 5? A person who drives a vehicle. Who is the person who drives a vehicle? Yeah, he is a driver. Where is he? We can see 5. Number 5. See across. They have given you across. D-R-I-V-E-R. Driver. Number 5. Okay. Now see number 6. Where is number 6? A person who treats sick people. Who is the person who treats the sick people? Yeah, he's a doctor. Who is he? Number 6. Okay. Number 6, doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. You have to write neatly and clearly. Okay. Now see number 7. A person who teaches. Who is the person who teaches? Yeah, he's a teacher. Okay, number 7. Where is number 7? Yeah, number 7. See the spellings. For the spellings, we can see here. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Okay. Number 8. What is number 8? A person whose job is to serve customers at their tables in a restaurant. See, tables itself, who will be coming to our table? Yeah, he is a waiter. Okay, where is he? You can see, where is waiter? Yeah, number 8. Where is number 8? See here, number 8 spelling waiter. Waiter, waiter. Okay. Yes, number 9. Where is number 9? See, across. A person who repairs and maintains vehicle engines and other machines. See here itself they have given you machines. Who is he? He's a mechanic. Super. He's a mechanic. See, where is number 9? Yeah, number 9 across. MECHANIC. Mechanic. Okay. Now number 10. Sit down. Number 10. A person who protects the country and serves in an army. Who is a person in the army? Yeah, he's a soldier. Yes, soldier. What's the soldier spelling? Yes, across they have given you. Across or down? Yes, down. Good. SOLDIER. Soldiers. This is number 10. Okay. Good. Number 11. A person who helps clean rooms, wash vessels and clothes in a house. See, it's a 2-letter word. Okay. You can see it's a 2-letter word. What is a 2-letter word? See, 2-letter word. Another one. Already we have completed security guard. What is the remaining thing? Yes, it says across. House help. HOUSE. House. HELP. House help. Okay. Yes. Now see number 13. A person who takes care of the sick people. Who takes care of the sick. Who is that? Yes, he is a nurse. She is a nurse. NURSE. Totally how many we have found out? 13. So everybody check with the answers. Everybody should complete all this persons. Okay, everybody should complete this activity fully. Okay. See, first one is security guard. First one is security guard, number 1. Number 2 is electrician. Number 3, carpenter. Number 4, plumber. Where is number 5? It's a driver. Number 5 is a driver. Number 6, doctor. Okay. Number 7, teacher. Number 7, teacher. Number 8, waiter. Number 8, waiter. Number 9, where is number 9? Mechanic. Number 9, mechanic. Number 10, where is number 10? It's a soldier. SOLDIER, soldier. Number 11, house help. House, it's a 2-letter word. House help. Okay. Number 12, sweeper. SWEEPR, sweeper. Number 13 is nurse. Okay. Totally how many? 13. Okay. So all this we have to check with the spellings and complete it. Okay. Now see after that. Now see. What is this? What we can see here? These are all some symbols. Okay. SAFETY. Safety. This is all safety symbols. This is all safety symbols. Okay. SYMBOLES symbols. Safety symbols on the road. Okay. On the ROAD road. These are for few symbols to identify which place is that. Okay. See what is this first one? See, a person is spitting. They are saying they have given you a cross. That means what is the meaning? You should not spit there. That is no spitting. We should not spit there. Okay. Now see, they have given like this. This is no entry. Have you ever seen it on the road? Yes, we can see all these symbols in all the roads. We can see it. Not only we should not see only, we should not say only seeing. We should follow all the safety symbols on the road. What and all they have told you to follow by giving the symbols, you have to follow that. Okay, that is only very good for it's very good for you and our environment. Okay. Now this is no right turn. We should not turn in the right. This is always keep left. You have to go only in the left. Now see this stop. You should not come. You should not go. This is stop. This is do not enter. This is no entry. See, this also you have seen in all the places, no? Yeah, in signal we have seen this. What is this? It's a traffic signal. Super. See, red, yellow, green. They have given you in colors. Red to stop and yellow to get ready and green to go. Yes. Next stop and speed limit. You have to go. You have to follow the speed limit and reserved parking. And see this. They are walking. Do not walk like this. These are many symbols. Students area. If it is a school zone, students crossing, go slow. See here, bin is there, dustbin is there. You can go and put it all the garbages. Like this, they have given you many symbols for you to follow. You have to follow all these symbols. Okay. Next. Now take your book. See, this is no spitting they have given you. You have to follow all the symbols. Now see, take your book in page number 28, 3.3 activity. ANSWR, answer the following. Answer the following. You have to answer this, all the questions. What are the questions they have given you? You have to answer it. What? WHAT, what? DO, do. YOUU, under. UNDR, under. STAND, understand. FROM, from. THE, the. SIGN, sign. BELOW, below. See, what do you understand from the sign below? Sign or symbol. Okay, this is a sign. Write the answer. WRIT, you write. THE, the. ANSWR, answer. In the space provided. They have given you some space. SPAC, space. PROVIDED, space provided. What do you understand from this symbol? From this sign? What sign is this? Yes, we should not spit. Oh, so you have to write no spitting. You have to write no spitting or do not spit. Okay. Now next, compare the two pictures. COMPARE, compare. THE, the. TWO2, PICTURS, two pictures. Compare the two pictures. Which? WHICH, which. ACTION, action. HELPES, helps. US, us. KEEP, keep. The. SURROUNDINGS, surroundings. See our environment, surroundings. CLEAN, clean. And WHY. See, compare the two pictures. You can see the two pictures. Which action helps us to keep our surroundings clean? See, what is this girl is doing? She is taking an ice cream and removing the wafer and throwing it on the floor. Whether this action is good? Now what is this boy is doing? He is taking the paper and putting in the bin. See, which action is good action? See, this girl's action is good or the boy's action is good? See, the girl's action is not good. The boy's action is he is keeping the place clean. So you can tick this. Okay, compare these two pictures. You can tick this action and put a cross here. This action, the boy is putting the paper on the bin. This action helps us to keep our surroundings clean. So you have to write. Now see, you can write, check with the answers. If you have completed, you can check with the answers. Do not spit on the road. DO, do. NOT, do not. SPIT, spit on the road. You should not spit on the road. Do not spit on the road. You can take a pencil and also you can write it. If you are not written, you can complete it. So you can put a tick here and put a cross here. Now see this, the boy is taking the paper. The boy, B-O-Y, boy. IS is TAKING, taking. THE, the. PAPR, paper. AND, and. THROWING, throwing. Into, IN, in. TO2, into. THE, the. bin. Bin. Bin is the dustbin. The boy is taking the paper and throwing into the bin. This action, THIN, this action keeps our surroundings neat and clean. See, if all the children are doing like this, not only on the road, in our house also, we have to keep our house and the surroundings neat and clean. See, this action helps all the people to keep our surroundings neat and clean. Okay, now we can check with the answers. Okay, now see next one. See next activity. We can see many pictures here. Okay, tick the pictures that help keeps our surroundings clean. See what action is this? Yes, a lorry, a truck is taking the bin and putting inside the lorry. Okay, now this action is good or not? Yes, good. Now we can put a tick here. Now see this, what is this lady is doing? She is throwing the waste on the floor, on the road. Whether this is good? So we have to keep our neighborhood places also clean. No. See, this girl is seeing that and she's moving. See, this action is good? No, you can put a cross here. Now what is this person is doing? He is cleaning the washroom. Whether this action is good? Yes. Put a tick here. Good. Now what is this girl is doing? What is this girl doing? This girl is spilling it and eating. Whether this action is good? No. Put a cross here. Now what is this girl is doing? This girl is cleaning the place. Yes, she is cleaning the water. Yes, this action is correct. Now check it. See, first one, the truck is taking but the waste is coming outside. So this action is not good. So you have to put a cross here also. Okay. You have to put a cross here also. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 actions are not good and 2 actions are good actions. Okay. Next, okay. You can check it. Now next one, activity 3.5. Observe the pictures. Observe the pictures given below and answer the questions that follow. So you can observe this picture. See 3 children are writing, drawing and doing some actions. Okay. Now see the place. Whether the place is clean? Oh, see, all the papers are littered here and there. Scissor is there. Yes, pencil, shapes, everything are there. Is the place is clean? No, the place is not clean. So you have to list the objects that are making the place messy. See, this place is not good. This is not clean. This place is messy. So you have to write what are the things, what are the objects that makes the place messy. You can see? Yes. Now list the things, bits of paper lying many places. Okay, bits of places. Then what is number 2? Pencil shapes. P-E-N-C-L. Pencil shapes. S-H-A-V-E-S. Pencil shapes. That is when you sharp the pencil, you'll be getting that. No, that is only pencil shapes. Number 3, scissor. S-C-I-S-S-O-R. Scissor. Number 4 is crayons are lying here and there. C-R-A-Y-O-N. Crayon. Number 5 is sketch pens also lying here and there. Sketch pens. S-K-E-T-C-H. Sketch. P-N. Sketch pen. Next, books. Books are lying. See here some books are there. Books. Next, bag. Bags also not kept neatly. So these are the things which make the place messy. Okay, children. Okay, by this everybody should complete all the activities. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.